Hello friends, welcome to tutorial point. In this session, I am going to cover JQuery attributes. So what JQuery attributes are? Attributes are properties of HTML DOM nodes. We have methods attr with name of the attribute to get the value of an attribute. We have method attr name of the attribute with value to set the value of particular attribute. Selector will give the set of attributes which are to be retrieved or to be updated. Let's see in action. I have a method message_dev.attr class error and .html temp. So let's see these methods in action. Before we have a style .error which says color red. That means in case I am assigning this particular style to a text element, it will make its color red from black. Let's see. So here my div has style display none. My paragraph says title. This is a custom attribute. Title, this is first title. And this is my first paragraph. Then div. Then another div is message div, which is empty. Purpose of this exercise is to store value of this particular title. This is first title in message div and show it red like this. How we are going to do it? We have style available with us in document.ready. What we are doing? Where temp select title of paragraph. So $P gives me the paragraph. Then .attr title of this particular paragraph element using attr. So we are using attr method. We are getting the value temp in temp, which is this is first title. So first title now is in temp. Now how to set it? In message_dev.html temp, I am putting the value in HTML. Then I need to make it red. How to make it red? Simply set its class to be error. So see the syntax, message_dev.attr class error. So this will make my text to be shown as red. Let's see this example practical. In this example, we are seeing how attribute works in case of jQuery. So here we have added a custom attribute title to paragraph and its value is this is first title. In temp variable, we are getting attribute of paragraph using attribute function. Attribute is title. So it's reading the title attribute, getting the value of title in the temp variable. So temp is now this is first title. Now so far we have read the value using attribute. Now in case we want to set the value using attr, syntax is simple. Set the attribute, say class need to be set and the property. Here we have defined error class and we are setting it to the class using this attr function. So output would be this is first title in red color. Let's see and verify the output.